Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'm gonna show you how you can hack Pokemon Go and get a lot of cool features like GPS spoofing, fake location, a working joystick like I have right now, and many more features that you guys can see right here. So one feature that I really like is the teleport features. It allows you to teleport to another location really fast and really easy. Just select your location and tap teleport here, and you'll be instantly be teleported to that location. It's really easy, and you can see there are many more features you guys can use. So I'm gonna show you how you can use it as well. So to hack your game, go to this website poketool.online. This is the hack that will inject the custom files to your Pokemon Go app. Make sure here you select the latest version of this spoofer. And now tap continue. Oh, I forgot to choose my device. So as you can see, it works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter if you guys have Android or iOS. And also you don't have to root or jailbreak your phone. So I'm gonna select iOS and tap continue. Now the hacking process started, and the hack is injecting the custom files into my Pokemon Go app. But I've already did the hack, so it will not do anything. Alright guys, so as you can see, there is one more step that you need to do to hack your Pokemon Go app. You need to verify that you're not a robot. And this is done to prevent abuse and server overloads, as you can read here, but it's really easy to pass the human verification. Just install 2 of these apps, run them for at least 30 seconds, and then the files will be injected into your Pokemon Go game. So I'll do just that, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so after you install and play these apps, just open your Pokemon Go app and you should have all these features that I currently have on my Pokemon Go game. I'm gonna show you again that this is real, and I'm gonna show you all these nice features. Alright, so this is the dashboard of this hack. As you can see, you have fake location, joystick, custom speed, and a lot of cool features that you guys can use when playing Pokemon Go.